11 Coolest Mini Gadgets You Must See. In the world of mini gadgets, innovation has shrunk down to a level that's both fascinating and practical. Imagine having powerful tools that fit right in your pocket or palm, yet offer capabilities you'd expect from much larger devices. From mini drones to microscopic cameras and even a pint-sized science lab, these gadgets are redefining what's possible on a small scale. They're designed for people on the go, tech enthusiasts, or anyone who loves adding a bit of futuristic flair to their everyday life. Valet. The Valet is an elegant mini charging station and organizer designed to bring style and functionality together. With its sleek design, this little gadget serves as a place to store your keys, earbuds, or even small tech accessories while simultaneously charging your devices wirelessly. Its compact size means it won't take up much room on your desk or nightstand, making it perfect for people who like to keep their space clutter-free but stylish. What's cool about the Valet is its multifunctional design. You're not just getting a wireless charger, you're getting a thoughtful organizational tool. Simply place your phone on the Valet and let it charge while you go about your day. It's a seamless, modern solution to the age-old problem of misplaced gadgets and tangled cables. For anyone looking to streamline their day with a bit of elegance, the Valet is a must-have. Airbank. The Airbank is a mini air compressor that's small enough to fit in your pocket, but powerful enough to inflate a bike tire, sports ball, or even a car tire in an emergency. With its compact design, this gadget is built for convenience, allowing you to carry it anywhere for quick inflation needs. This tiny powerhouse is USB rechargeable, meaning you can keep it ready to go whether you're out in the wilderness or commuting through the city. Its versatility is what really makes the Airbank shine. No longer do you need to carry around a full-sized air compressor for small inflation tasks. The Airbank is designed to be fast, efficient, and easy to use, making it a great tool for athletes, cyclists, and adventurers alike. And because it's so small, you'll hardly notice it until you need it, when it will become absolutely indispensable. TV. TV is not your average speaker. It's a pixel art Bluetooth speaker that brings creativity and retro charm into one mini device. With a screen displaying customizable pixel animations, TV lets you create fun images and even animations, all while playing your favorite music. It's perfect for people who want a speaker that does more than just play music. TV adds a playful element to your space, turning your desk or bedside table into a mini art gallery. What makes TV unique is how interactive it is. You can draw on your own designs, set it to display weather updates, or use it as a colorful alarm clock. It's more than just a speaker, it's a visual experience. TV is a gadget that appeals to artists, tech lovers, and music enthusiasts who want something that's fun and functional. It's compact, easy to carry, and instantly adds personality to any space. STEO. The STEO is like carrying a lab in your pocket. This mini molecular scanner lets you analyze the chemical makeup of food, plants, medications, and more, providing instant information about the world around you. By simply scanning an object with STEO, you'll get detailed data on its composition, making it incredibly useful for health-conscious people, science enthusiasts, or anyone who's curious about what they're consuming or using. STEO works by using near-infrared spectroscopy to measure molecular interactions, which sounds complex but is incredibly easy to use. Just point, scan, and you'll get results sent directly to your smartphone. It's a breakthrough in portable technology, letting you uncover the hidden details in everyday items. For anyone interested in the science of what's around them, STEO is a marvel that can change the way you see the world. UV Sense. UV Sense is a mini gadget designed to help protect you from harmful sun exposure by monitoring UV levels. This tiny wearable sensor sticks right to your nail, giving you real-time data about the UV exposure you're experiencing. It connects to your smartphone, offering insights and tips on how to manage your sun exposure better. It's perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time outdoors and wants to keep their skin safe from potential damage. The beauty of UV Sense is its convenience and discretion. Since it's so small, you won't even notice you're wearing it, yet it's actively helping you make better decisions for your health. For outdoor enthusiasts, beachgoers, or anyone concerned about sun safety, UV Sense offers peace of mind in the smallest of packages. It's like having a tiny UV expert on your side, guiding you towards healthier choices. Sky Nano Drone. The Sky Nano Drone is a marvel of miniaturization, packing a full-fledged quadcopter experience into one of the world's smallest drones. Despite its tiny size, this drone is fully functional, offering smooth flights, flips, and turns with remarkable agility. It's perfect for drone enthusiasts who want something small and affordable to fly indoors or outdoors in calm weather. Sky's compact build makes it easy to take anywhere, and it's simple enough for beginners while still being fun for experienced drone pilots. Its nimble movements make it entertaining to fly around, while the tiny size means you don't need much space. For anyone fascinated by flight, the Sky Nano drone brings big thrills in a small package. iMicro Key 2. The iMicro Key 2 is a powerful microscope that attaches to your smartphone, turning it into a high-resolution microscope with impressive magnification. This tiny lens offers an incredibly close view of objects, perfect for examining anything from plant cells to tiny insects. With iMicro Key 2, you can explore the microscopic world with the convenience of your phone, making it ideal for students, hobbyists, or curious explorers. It's lightweight, easy to use, and capable of capturing details that would normally require a large, expensive microscope. Whether you're interested in biology, art, or just curious about your surroundings, iMicro Key 2 turns your smartphone into a tool for discovery. It's like carrying a science lab in your pocket, ready for any curious moment. Optics One. Optics One is a mini wearable camera that lets you capture life from a unique, hands-free perspective. This tiny high-definition camera can be attached to glasses, hats, or other accessories, making it easy to document your experiences without holding a device. It's perfect for vloggers, travelers, and anyone who wants to capture moments effortlessly. The design of Optics One is sleek and subtle, allowing you to film without being intrusive. Despite its size, it delivers impressive video quality, capturing the world exactly as you see it. Optics One provides a fresh way to record memories, offering the freedom to live in the moment while still preserving it in HD. Funky S. The Funky S is a retro handheld gaming console that brings back classic gaming in a mini format. Shaped like a tiny keychain, it's packed with retro games and offers a nostalgic experience in the smallest of packages. Its tiny design makes it easy to carry everywhere, and you can pop it open for a quick game wherever you are. With its nostalgic games and compact design, Funky S is perfect for anyone who grew up playing classic video games. It's a mini escape into the past, allowing you to relive your favorite games with just a flip. Funky S is a unique blend of nostalgia and portability, making it a fun addition to your everyday carry. WashWo 3.0. WashWo 3.0 is a portable washing gadget that uses ionized water to clean small loads of laundry. No need for detergent. This device harnesses the power of ions to break down dirt and stains, making it perfect for travel or camping. It's compact, eco-friendly, and lets you freshen up clothes without the need for a washing machine. For anyone who travels often, WashWo 3.0 is a game changer. It's simple to use, highly effective, and fits into a suitcase effortlessly. WashWo 3.0 lets you stay fresh on the go, offering an innovative solution to laundry challenges while helping reduce your ecological footprint. Swiss Minigun. The Swiss Minigun is one of the tiniest functional firearms in the world. Despite its size, this miniature gun is capable of firing tiny bullets, making it a fascinating novelty item for firearm enthusiasts. It's more of a collector's item, crafted with precision and attention to detail, embodying the art of miniaturization. Owning a Swiss minigun is like holding a piece of craftsmanship in your hand. Although it's a functional firearm, it's primarily valued for its uniqueness and engineering marvel. For collectors, it's a one-of-a-kind piece that demonstrates the extent of Swiss craftsmanship in creating something both functional and exquisitely small. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.